Are you ready to raise a glass for Cosmopolitan Day? Celebrated annually, this fun holiday honors the iconic cocktail known for its vibrant color and refreshing flavor. After this drink gained popularity in the bars in New York, a fun holiday was started in the late 90s. Cosmopolitan Day was created by Jace Shoemaker Galloway, a writer affectionately known as the Queen of Holidays for her knack for inventing fun and quirky celebrations. In the late 1990s, the Cosmo was all New Yorkers wanted to talk about. Many of the city's bartenders were making hundreds of these cocktails a night to meet the demand for this beverage. However, the original recipe was discovered back in 1934 in a publication known as The Pioneers of Mixing. Though this book was written in 1934 and included 7 volumes, it wasn't until 3 of his competitors compiled their recipes from 30 bars during Prohibition. Because this book features many vintage cocktail recipes, you may have a hard time finding all the ingredients. So you can play with some recipes and create your very own Cosmo. Cosmopolitan is traditionally served in a martini glass. These glasses are made from a high-quality, lead-free crystal. Additionally, your guests will enjoy drinking their martini from these glasses that have a comfortable grip. Ready to join the celebration? If you're toasting to Cosmopolitan Day, make sure to serve your cocktail in a proper martini glass. It's all about presentation. Here are the ingredients. High-quality vodka, approximately 2 ounces. 2 ounces of cranberry juice. 1.5 ounces of orange liquor. 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. For the best results, I recommend you prepare this a few hours before your guests arrive. First, fill a martini glass with ice and water and store it in your refrigerator. When you are ready to serve, drain the ice and water. Next, combine all of the ingredients in a shaker filled with ice. Shake until it feels cold in your hands. Finally, pour into your glass. Also, you may want to garnish the martini with a lemon or lime wedge. Naturally, alcohol is the star of the show, but this recipe adds a playful twist with a splash of raspberry syrup. Back in the late 90s, a bartender at Tribeca's trendy hotspot, the Odeon, put his own spin on the classic Cosmo, and the world couldn't get enough. That little twist helped elevate the cocktail into the cultural phenomenon we know today. Feeling inspired? Why not host a themed party to celebrate? Invite friends or family over, whip up a batch of Cosmos, and have everyone dress in their favorite 90s fashion. While Cosmopolitan Day is the perfect excuse to indulge, this chic pink drink is worth enjoying all year round. After all, there's just something undeniably fun about sipping a vibrant cocktail that's as pretty as it is delicious. So, if you are looking for a cute gift to give for a bachelorette party or to someone who loves Cosmo, this towel is perfect. This is a cute towel to use in the kitchen or bar area, and it includes a simple recipe for this cocktail on the towel. Cosmopolitan Craft Cocktail Notebook. Are you headed to class? Or are you looking for a cute notebook to write down your cocktail recipes? When you are looking for a cute pair of PJs to lounge in or wear to a pajama party, these PJs are sure to get the party started. In addition, there are over a dozen different prints. Let me know your favorite. When you are looking for a cute makeup bag to put your cosmetics into, this bag is ideal. Also, this makes a cute gift for any cocktail lover. When you are looking for a cute t-shirt to wear to the bar, or just because this t-shirt is perfect. This t-shirt is for both men and women and is available in both men's and women's sizes. Also, this tee comes in over a dozen colors. Meanwhile, if you love Cosmo, why not spritz yourself with this intoxicating scent? For some other fragrances to use, visit my blog post, Best Fragrances to Try on Perfume Day. Link on the description below. So whether you're clinking glasses with friends or enjoying a solo sip in style, Cosmopolitan Day is the perfect excuse to indulge in a little cocktail magic. Cheers to good vibes, great company, and the timeless charm of the Cosmo.